guys, welcome to another video. I haven't posted in a while because my videos are taking really long to post. But today I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite slimes ever. And I might show you even more than that because, yeah. I'm going to start with this, let me get in frame. This little crunchy slime here. So this slime, is pretty stretchy actually. It's really crunchy because of the beads, but it's yellow, which isn't a really pretty color. At the end of the video, I have an exciting announcement, so please don't click out. Alright, and now on to the next slime. Sorry if you hear the bag in the background. I just need to put it back in the bag because I don't have an editing system with me yet, but I will be able to edit my videos since I know how. But I just need to get my editing system ready. So for my next one, let me find a good, oh yes. So when I was at my editing camp, I made a video where I did slime, and here's how it turned out. I'm balancing this on a Cheerio box, and here's all my slimes in here. I have a bunch, so yeah, it's like deep. And then here's that one. All right, everyone, I need to leave for 1 second, so I'm gonna make a swirl and let you watch my swirl. So this is my swirl. It's a horrible swirl, but yeah, I'm gonna set you up like this and kind of set you up like that. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry. I'm so sorry. You probably clicked out. Oh yeah. Probably clicked out for that last few minutes. Gosh. Oh my god. But yeah, I want to show you the stretch to this. I mean, wow, the stretch is amazing. I need both hands for this. Oh no. Don't mind the other stuff. Can you guys tell me how to use the thumbnail changer? And can you also tell me how to use the iCard section in the voting iCard thing? Here's a good swirl. Nah. Okay. I'm going to be showing you 5. And then I'm going to work on another video that I'm doing. where yeah, it's a surprise. So I have 2 more, I think. No, 3 more. Where is it? Okay, guys, this might take a sec. Okay, here we go. So I have this glittery pink one, and it's very, 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 very wet. But what helps it, because it used to be very breaky. Like, it used to break a lot. Look at, guys, I'm going to show you the stretch. I'm going to make a swirl. I know that's kind of annoying when people poke the swirl, but it probably wasn't the best swirl ever, so you probably don't even care. Anyway, check out Rampage Z99. He's my neighbor. He has a YouTube channel, and I tried doing a video with him, but we messed up, so we have to do that next Thursday. So check out his channel next Thursday. Or Tuesday. Tuesday will work too. I'm sorry if you hear my brother in the background. I have no idea what's going on. My brother and my sister are playing downstairs, and my brother just started screaming like he killed himself or something, so... Sorry, it's like on a Cheerio box. This is not sponsored. And I'm sorry the camera's probably upside down. This is probably the way it's supposed to go. But I'm doing it this way because I'm nuts. And please don't be annoyed that you're watching it this upside down if it is upside down. Because I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's probably this way. No, it's not, because the camera's up here. Wait. Okay, I see. So, I have, like, 2 more for you. So, I'm not sure which one I should choose, because I haven't really had anything planned out for this video. But I'm just gonna, ooh, yes, my very first slime that I've ever made, ever by myself. It's a clear slime. It's a clear, pretty purple. I added like 3 drops of purple, a really, really dark purple. So it made it really good. Made this a few months ago and it's still perfect. One sec. This is annoying. You probably already clicked out by now. Oh, it's actually pretty hard. Wait, what? Yeah, it's still one of my favorites. And from the lighting, it looks black, but it's not actually black. It's that color. Sorry, I had slime stick to my shirt. Yeah, this is actually pretty hard. Well, this is like not, like, the stretch is terrible. Actually, it's really good. Look at this stretch. Look at it. Oh. Okay. Well, that's fine. I just have like one more of my favorite slime like ever. I think it's actually this way, so I'm gonna hold it like this. No, it's this way. I can tell. So this yellow-ish slime, I accidentally was playing with a very blue one, and I got my hands done blue, and it ruined this yellow slime. Like, look, it's kind of green. Comment down below if you also want a house tour, because I would be willing to do that. And also shout out to Extreme Cousins. They have 4 subscribers and like 20 million views. So go check them out. They're pretty cool. Yep. That's probably one of the good ones, I think. Terrible at making swirls. Let's spread it and see what happens. Ooh, it spreads. It spreads. It spreads. It spreads. Yeah, it spreads. I hope I didn't annoy you by all the times when you were just like this, looking at the Cheerio box. I'm sorry. I'm super sorry, guys. But I'm going to set you up for my face for the outro. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button. Get me to 1 million views. You know, I'm never going to get 1 million views. I'm just a starter channel, and I will be a starter until people start to notice me. So, to all the sorry, it fell. To all the viewers out there, please subscribe. Bye. Bye.